YouTube? It's Brenda Turner from LeanSecrets.com, and today I'm going to show you a recipe from my cookbook. These are called flat belly pancakes. And now don't be fooled by the name. The flat belly pancakes are not to be confused with the normal old protein pancakes that you probably have seen. These pancakes are delicious and taste just like real pancakes. Now what makes my pancakes so special is that I'm replacing the gluten that is in regular pancakes with coconut flour, as well as some other ingredients that I'm going to show you. And before we get started with the recipe, I just want to make a note about gluten and the reason that gluten is bad for the most part. Gluten covers your intestinal villi, which are like little fingers sticking out of your small intestine that actually absorb the nutrients from your food. Gluten, it's called gluten because it's a gluey substance. That's actually the Latin root is glue, and so it's like glue onto your villi in your small intestines. Then they're covered in the glue and they can't absorb the nutrients. And gluten can actually even shorten your villi, leaving you with little nubs instead of nice healthy villi. So that's a big reason why you shouldn't be eating gluten and why you should avoid regular pancakes. So let's go ahead and get started with the recipe. I'm going to show you how to make these flat belly pancakes right now. You are going to need egg whites, whole eggs, some kind of fruit of your choice, coconut flour, brown rice flour, stevia extract or Truvia, and fresh cinnamon sticks. Fresh cinnamon sticks are actually very, very good for your health, circulation, and digestion. So if you use the cinnamon sticks that look like little scrolls, that would be very, very good to add on top of if you grind that on top of the pancake. Okay, so you grab a bowl and you're gonna use one whole egg. Some people believe that you should not use egg yolks. That is silliness. You should use egg yolks. You don't have to use too many, but you should put at least one into your protein pancake. The yolk in the egg is filled with vital amino acids, stuff like choline, minerals, vitamins, so the yolk can actually be very, very healthy for you. I'm actually gonna use 2 whole eggs, and you don't have to do 2 whole eggs, but it wouldn't hurt. Now, the brown rice flour. You're gonna use a tablespoon of brown rice flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and you're gonna use a stevia to taste. It depends on how sweet you want it. Stevia does not have any calories, so you can't really overdo it with the stevia. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little in there. I don't like it too sweet. And then if you didn't use 2 egg yolks, if you didn't use 2 whole eggs, then you would wanna add a little more egg whites. I'm just gonna use a touch of egg whites, because that's probably what I need, just a little more. We're gonna mix this up, put some elbow grease into it. Now, this is real time and you get to see this in action. So this is way too thick. I'm not perfect, okay? But this is way too thick. So what I'm gonna do is add just a touch of egg whites because you want it to be smooth like regular pancake batter. If you have vanilla, you should definitely use vanilla. I'm out of vanilla because I'm terrible. But if you have vanilla, then you should use vanilla. The cinnamon, I'm just gonna take my little grinder. If you have fresh cinnamon on your pancakes, it's gonna make such a big difference. You could also use apples, freshly sliced apples. I didn't have any apples either, sorry. Okay, now we've got our pancake batter and now we're going to cook it. And here is also a very important thing that I want you to pay attention to. A lot of people use cooking sprays. If you use cooking spray, make sure that you get one from Whole Foods or something where it's organic and it's not soybean oil and that it doesn't have a bunch of weird chemicals in it. But I'm not gonna be using cooking spray today. I'm gonna be using coconut oil. And I'll probably do a coconut oil video in the future. But all you need to know right now is that coconut oil is very good for burning body fat. It's high in lauric acid and it's very good for actually helping your body absorb nutrients when you eat. So if you cook with coconut oil, it's gonna taste good and it's gonna be good for you. So here's my extra virgin coconut oil and now we're gonna start to cook up these bad boys. Okay, so we don't need that much coconut oil. I'm gonna be using about a half a teaspoon, and I'm using a very small omelet pan. This is the perfect pan for making protein pancakes, and it's going to cook them quickly and very evenly. Each side only needs about 2 minutes, so watch for bubbles to come up to the top. That's how you know when to flip your protein pancake. Oh, that's perfect. I swear I'm not burning anything, but coconut oil gets a little bit smoky. Trust me. I know you're probably thinking, yeah, right now, but just trust me. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna make a little jam. I'm just mashing up my fruit. I also have a quarter of an orange. I'm gonna squeeze it into my raspberry puree. I know it's not much to look at, but hey, it tastes like really fresh jam. And I'm gonna put that on top of my pancakes. Oh my goodness, people. I've done it again. Now those are some delicious pancakes. Now I'm gonna put my jam on here. You don't have to put jam on yours, you can put whole fruit. Whatever you wanna do, make it your own. And that, my friends, is how you do flat belly pancakes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want more videos just like this, click the subscribe button, like the videos, check out my other videos, and if you want to learn how to get and stay lean, firm, and toned, and you want to learn some lean secrets that nobody ever told you, you can go to my website, leansecrets.com. You can put in the promo code PANCAKES, and you will get 50% off of my instant downloadable ebook, which is over 200 pages long, filled to the brim with tips, tricks, and secrets that you never knew about weight loss. You'll also get a free cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any comments or questions, put them down below. Other than that, have a great day and let me know how the pancakes taste. Bye. Oh my God. Yep, that's good stuff right there. They are real pancakes. They're pancakes. I'm serious. They don't taste like healthy food. This tastes like real pancakes, people. You need to try this. If you don't try this, I'm gonna come through there and hurt you. I'm just kidding. But no, seriously, these are really good. I could eat these like all day long.